All right, here we come to the elevators at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Atlanta, Georgia. Another one of these famous elevators. Anyways, we're gonna take this elevator car right here. Sorry. This is the elevator car that Andrew filmed that serves the Polaris level. We're gonna start from the down level first. Oh, these floors don't work on this particular elevator. Oh, okay. Well, anyways, let's go to the Polaris. Here we go. And it works. Lucky. The Polaris works nice. See, this is the Polaris level. This is exactly the elevator car Andrew filmed. One of the first elevators here. See, these floors are locked, you can see. Going up. This is awesome, y'all. All right, we're gonna close the door and get a cab view. These are Adams fixtures. These were modernized at least so many times. I can't remember. I think 2 or 3. I am so surprised that the Polaris elevator even works today, even though no one is occupying it. And I almost initially didn't think about recording these elevators because all the floors are locked, but luckily, oh, there's some more floors right here. I wonder, does this open? Oh, it does. Okay. I can't remember which one has the dumbwaiter. Oh wow, this is a perfect view of Atlanta. Look at that. Oh, this one's got the original chime? Oh, this goes into a kitchen. You know what, I'm gonna send this down because I wanna hear this chime on this thing. I don't mean to get off of the kitchen, I'm sorry. I really wanna hear this chime. Gotta hear this chime. Yes! awesome. Still, it's got the original chime. This is awesome. These used to have Otis touch sensitive fixtures, according to Julian noticed Florida in elevators. I think these were modernized twice. This is amazing, y'all. Wow. I'm so lucky I rode these. I'm not gonna record the other elevators, especially the one that goes down, or goes to the down level, because I don't see the point of it. But anyways, there it goes. And that is it.